So I remember when everybody in the video marketing world was like, you need to go live, you need to go live. And I just shrugged it off, honestly, because I was a little scared, but we'll talk about that in a different day. But that was until I got here on YouTube and I realized a few months back that these lives that I were doing were in the top 10 videos as far as watch time hours go. And these videos easily had double and triple the amount of watch time hours that my normal videos got. And they had these watch time hours even though they had the same amount of views my normal videos got. So in this video, I'm going to give you a few reasons why I think you should live stream and a few ideas on which sort of format you can do to get started, the equipment that you're going to need, and the requirements for YouTube. First, why should you live stream? Well, I went to a video conference a few months back and it was called Grow with Video. And there were a few big creators on the stage that were talking specifically about how they grew their channels with live streaming. And here are just some of the things that I wrote down that they said. So one of the first things that I heard them say was live streaming saves you time and money. So it does this because you don't really have to do as much as you normally would with one of your normal weekly videos on YouTube. For example, when I was live streaming, I just simply used my laptop, StreamYard, and a ring light. That's it. Now, when I'm doing my normal YouTube videos, I usually have my ring light, my softbox box light, and also my camera, tripod setup, and all that good stuff. And then it also saves you time and money because you don't have to edit the video yourself or you don't have to hire an editor. Since live streams are, live, most people that are watching the replay, they're not necessarily expecting it to be perfect or they're not expecting it to be edited because it's a live video. So number two, it engages with your current audience. So live streams are a great way to connect with the people that's already here and subscribe to you, and it also lets them engage with you and see your personality in real time. And I would even argue that if you haven't posted a while on your channel, that live streaming could honestly probably, get you back into the swing of things. And it could also remind them that you're there, if you haven't posted in a while. So number three, and this is something that I have tested and actually saw, and it actually grows your audience. So when you go live, YouTube actually pushes the video out or the live stream out to the homepage, suggested videos, and search. So it does that while you're going live. And then after you go live, YouTube continues to push the video out as if it was a normal video. So again, you can see your live stream on the browse features, you can see traffic coming from search, and you can also see traffic coming from suggested videos as well. And this is after your video has been published after you went live. So that means you're gaining watch time hours while it's live and also afterwards. And I've even seen in some of my live stream that I've gained subscribers from them as well. And I guess I already talked about number four, but number four is you can actually gain a lot more watch time hours from it. So since your live streams are possibly longer than your normal videos, I know mine's usually are, then you can actually gain a lot of watch time hours from it. So both on the stream, when you're live, and then afterwards. Now, if you're interested in testing this out for yourself, I do have a link down below in the description box that if you click it, you can get a free 14-day trial with StreamYard, which is the tool that I use for my 20 days of live streaming challenge. It is the easiest way that you can go live on YouTube and other platforms. Now, some other things that the creators were saying at the conference, which I've also tested out, is, they was treating the live streams as if it was a normal YouTube video. So that means that you still have the same type of thumbnails, you still title it as if it's a normal video, and then also putting the description in there as well. And then, this helps when YouTube is pushing it out afterwards for the replay. Another thing that they were saying was they were using live streams to test out new topics. So if they weren't sure if a certain topic was going to perform well on their channel, they actually tested it out as a live stream first to see if it was going to gain traction. I even remember one guy specifically saying that he used live streams to sort of hold himself accountable. So he would go live every single week, and then later in the week, he would actually go back into YouTube Studio and edit the video and turn it into a normal YouTube video. And I do know other creators as well who will clip out certain parts of their live streams and push it out on YouTube as a normal video. And then there's also the option to also live stream on your phone vertically as well. And with that, you have the potential to show up inside of the shorts feed. So yeah, so many interesting things about live streaming. Now, if you're stuck and you're not sure what exactly you can live stream on your channel and how exactly it can work, then I have a few ideas. The first is informational. So I guess this is kind of like what I've been doing, and that's you literally having a topic that you're talking about and treating it as a normal educational talking head video. So you talking about your specific niche and, you know, the different topics within it. And then possibly having a Q&A afterwards where people can actually ask you questions. Another live idea is a showcase. So if you are some type of fashion creator of some sort, you have an affiliate program or you're a part of an affiliate program, then what you can do, or if you just want to do a show and tell and you just want to show what you got, you can also do a showcase. So that is basically showing the items, the pros and the cons of the items, and you know, whatever information you want to give people. Another one is a Q&A. So this is just a specific live stream dedicated to people asking you questions. Now, I will say with this live stream, it's best to maybe like schedule it ahead of time and, you know, let people know that you're going to be live so you can actually, you know, have some people show up. But this is like one of my favorite low lift ways to just show up on live, and great way to like actually connect with your audience. Another type of live stream is a behind the scenes live stream. So this is not necessarily you talking or anything, but it's just you setting up a camera, setting up a laptop, and showing the behind the scenes of whatever you're doing. So for example, I'm a video editor. So one live stream that I could do is I could literally set up the live stream so I can be editing during that live stream and not say a word and just edit the video. That's an example. And then the last live stream that I'm going to mention here is a dual stream. So this is you live streaming with a guest or possibly multiple guests. It can be sort of like a conversational live stream. It could be a Q&A live stream about them talking about a specific interest that they have. So yeah, this can work in so many different ways, but I feel like this takes a lot of weight off of you to come up with ideas and such. I will say that you have to like vet your speakers and make sure that your speakers are talking about something that your audience is actually interested in or that you're interested in. So, you know, it's not a wasted live stream, if that makes sense. Lastly, I wanted to talk about equipment. Equipment-wise, I honestly recommend just using what you have, especially if you're not the most tech savvy person or you don't like to deal with tech. When I did 20 days of live streaming, I just hooked up my laptop, my ring light, and that was it. And then I used StreamYard. If you don't like the quality of your camera or you don't like the quality of the way you sound on your laptop or your phone, you could always get a webcam for your laptop, and you could also get a microphone for it. You can also get a microphone or a ring light for your phone. These are some other accessories that you can use. And I actually have a link with recommended tools down below. Software wise, you can go live in the YouTube platform, but I personally find that very confusing to look at. So what I actually use is StreamYard. It is the easiest way to go live on YouTube. And if you're interested in using that, I have a free 14-day trial down below. And also in terms of the requirements for YouTube, you have to have over 50 subscribers to go live. And then you also have to make sure you verify your identity inside the settings. So yeah, if you made it here to the end, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you next week.